How to refer a friend on Fanduel. So here's how we can do it. There's a step-by-step guide on the official website. First, we have to find and send our link from inside our account. So you will need to search for the refer a friend image near the top of your screen and click on share invite. So it's going to look a little something like this. Afterwards, you can text or email your link to friends. They will need to sign up, create an account, get verified, and make their first deposit of at least $20. More on that in a moment. So it's going to give us some more information here. Now, if they need help with how to set up deposits, you can help them out, or you can send them this link deposit troubleshooting hub, and you can just have fun. And if your friends play, you will receive a reward. So here, your friend will need to play through $10 or more on any game within 30 days. It doesn't need to be $10 in a single spin, but an accumulated amount of $10. And those $10 in bets must settle within the 30-day limit. Once they've reached the betting requirement, the bonuses should land in your account within 72 hours. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this answers your questions. You can see your referrals here. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.